Welcome to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is our collective weekly third eye reading for this chakra. I do a different chakra for each day of the week, and I do them on a weekly basis so that we can keep revisiting our chakras and tuning them, aligning them, evolving them together. This reading will use a few cards. I'll explain them as I go through. I'll read from the books first to get the author's insight, and then I will do an intuitive interpretation at the end. So our first card is Spirit Kin from the Sacred Geometry deck. Its themes are courage and transformation. So this chakra is dealing with our intuitive abilities, our insight, our ability to communicate psychically with different realms, amongst many other things. So this book reads, "This shaman dances and drums around a fire and is called in the energy of his spirit kin, mountain lion, also called puma or cougar, speaks of strength, courage, and transformation. Golden spirals kindle this fiery energy. We here call upon this magnificent spirit kin to demonstrate the gift of courage. Courage enters your life in many different ways. It is fearlessly standing up for what you believe to be true. Courage is being confident in your discernment and ability to speak from your heart. It is trusting that the universe is on your side, guiding and protecting you. Courage is the strength that comes from within. It is being who you truly are without fear or judgment of yourself or others. It is speaking out when you believe strongly for or against something. It is the power to transform fear into love and to bravely follow your own visionary path. Courage is transformational. Transformation is courageous. Trust your ability to call in the transformation that your vision requires. Find the courage within yourself to express your gifts and have confidence in knowing you can make a real difference in the world. Now, to support this message on behalf of the Galactic Chakra, we will take a card from the the Secret Language of Light deck. And we have alignment, a covenant of mind, body, and spirit. Your soul is your biggest fan. It knows the truth of you and loves you unconditionally. It is continuously streaming this information to you. To tune in, your mind, body, and spirit must all agree in the now. Do this by meditating, focusing on your soul name, enjoying something you love, and having a nap. It is not up to your soul to zap you into alignment. Its job is to maintain your soul station, so you have a frequency to tune into. The nature of physical life is to create and expand. Sometimes life experiences will pull you out of alignment, so you can understand these experiences from a different angle. When you are out of alignment, you will automatically ask questions and want to create something different. Through this process, you gain clarity about your passions. Being out of alignment can feel awful. It is easy to blame a person or situation when we feel bad. But instead of asking why something is happening, take a breath, return to neutral, and ask what you can create from the situation. And remember, your soul is a consistent, loving home you can return to always. I really liked that message. I know I've read that at least a few times before, but it's always amazing that things really resonate when you're ready to hear them. So perhaps that resonated for you as well. I hope so. So I'm going to take a little intuitive glance at what's going on here. I'm seeing that through any intuitive, psychic, meditative work that you may engage in this week, if you go into that realm, you could perhaps be brought into a very primal, instinctual realm. You may be able to get there by scrying with fire, by stargazing, by listening to drums, by reading about a power animal for you, and by dancing in spirals like the whirling dervish. This energy, if you tap into it, will help you align fully. It will help give you a sense of your place in this dimension. You'll be like connected to all these dimensions, regardless of space and time, and you'll have this sense of interconnectivity to everything that was and can be, but a profound sense of just being in the moment. And in that space may bring you a lot of security, a lot of peace, and a feeling of just self-protection even. All the way to your heart space and to anything that could be bringing you anxiety in your lower chakras, anxiety in your mind. And engaging with your reality in this way will definitely make you feel protected this week. And this type of energy will help balance any of the masculine and feminine energies that may feel like they are perhaps running amok and not at their best, not in resonance with your truth. So you will be able to spiritually just sit in the seat of your soul almost, where your heart is as well, like letting that energy come through your heart and feeling this profound amount of nearly like a spiritual bliss from it. So I feel like in almost all of the chakra readings this week, I've been recommending some type of practice for tuning in and connecting to something greater than our day-to-day mundane reality. There seems to be a need for this on a personal basis, but as we come together as a community, maybe just to be there for our community, we need to get in spiritual alignment. So I do hope that these messages have been helpful. I thank you for being here with me, for your presence, and I am sending you blessings. Take care.